Are you waking up with that familiar tightness in your neck and shoulders? You are not alone. So many people feel that same stiffness every single morning. Today, I am going to show you 3 simple, gentle exercises you can do right now, right in your chair, to feel so much better. Exercise 1 is called the gentle neck side stretch. A senior woman sits up tall in a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor. She slowly tilts her right ear down toward her right shoulder. She is not forcing it. She is just letting gravity do the work. Hold that position and breathe in slowly through your nose. Breathe out gently through your mouth. Hold for 5 slow breaths, then slowly bring your head back to center. Now repeat on the left side. An old man stretching his neck sideways shows how peaceful and easy this movement truly is. Exercise 2 is the shoulder roll. A senior man sitting in a chair near a sunny window begins rolling his shoulders slowly backward. He lifts them up toward his ears first, then rolls them back and down in a big, slow circle. This gentle movement releases so much tension. Do 5 slow rolls backward, then 5 rolls forward. Only go as far as comfortable for your body. There is no rush. A senior woman smiling and rolling her shoulders reminds us this should feel like relief, never pain. Exercise 3 is the chin tuck. An elderly woman sitting straight in her chair gently pulls her chin straight back, as if making a small double chin. She holds it for 3 seconds, then releases. This simple movement realigns the neck and eases that deep tension at the base of the skull. Repeat this 10 times slowly. An old man doing a chin tuck while looking forward shows how subtle and gentle this really is. Breathe deeply the whole time. Now for your final habit, drinking a tall glass of warm water. A senior woman smiling and drinking a glass of water in peaceful morning sunlight reminds us that hydration keeps our muscles soft and relaxed. Stiff muscles are often dehydrated muscles. Make this your daily ritual after these exercises. You did something wonderful for yourself today. A senior couple smiling together on a sunny morning shows what is possible when we take small, gentle steps every day. Keep showing up for your body. It deserves this care. If this helped you, please subscribe to Daily Senior for your daily dose of vitality.